Hi everybody. I wanted to make a little tech tutorial on how to make sure that your Zoom codes are accessible to students. I've been doing a lot of helping with students trying to get onto their Zooms, and a part of the problem that I'm encountering is students aren't knowing where to go to get the Zoom link. And I know you've told them 1,000 times, but all of the teachers are putting them in different places. And so kids are just getting kind of confused. So if you are noticing that a lot of your students are telling you they can't find the links or that they're having Zoom issues, number one, you can always send them to me. But number two, in order to streamline that, it would be very helpful if you all posted your link on the Zoom tab. And again, if you already have something that's working for you, that's awesome. But if you put your links on the Zoom tab, you don't have to recreate a new link each week, because I have teachers who are recreating links and emailing them out every week or putting them under assignments or announcements and things like that. If you access this Zoom tab, it's going to make your life so much easier. So really quickly, if you don't see your Zoom tab there, you need to go into your settings. You need to go under navigation, and Zoom is going to be down here, like I have these down here. All you have to do is drag it up and then it will appear on the sidebar. So once you've done that, you will see Zoom here. You will click on the Zoom tab, and that's going to take you here. Now you can see I have no Zoom meetings available. I am going to be scheduling a new meeting. So let's pretend I'm doing period one. So I'll say Poly Library period one. And I'm going to want to make an accurate time. So I'm going to schedule that for 7:50 a.m. And this is really important. If I am on period one, I want to make sure that I'm starting on the right day. So if today is an even day, I'm not going to want to start on this day. I'm going to want to start on the odd day. So today, Thursday, is even, and tomorrow, Friday, will be odd. So I'm going to go to Friday. So I'm starting this link tomorrow because it's odd day, period one. And I'm going to select that it's a reoccurring meeting. And what that's going to do is that's going to repeat it so that you don't have to make a new link constantly, but this will generate a link every single day. So in order to make sure that your link, you can just keep it reoccurring every day, but if you would like it to be every other day so that it kind of follows the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday pattern, you can repeat it every 2 days. You want to select an end date. Unfortunately, it won't let you go too far out, so I'm just going to go to the end of November. Don't select this. You don't want 7 occurrences. You want date every other day. It will set up weekends, but it doesn't matter. Nobody's going to be on that code during weekends anyway. So I would not require a passcode, but yes, absolutely require a waiting room. And down over here, a couple of things. Do not enable join before host. You don't want kids in there without you. I suggest muting everyone upon entry, and you definitely want to check that only authenticated users can join. This will restrict you to only LBUSD addresses. If you want the meeting to record, you can. If not, that is all that you need to do. You click save, and then you go over on your Zoom tab again, and here are all of your meetings. And you can see that mine are Tuesday, Thursday. Of course, there's the weekend ones that you can ignore. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, so on and so forth. Okay, so this link is going to be very clear for students to see, okay, this one says it's tomorrow, so I'm going to come tomorrow and I'm going to start my meeting. This way, again, all of the meetings are in one place and students can access those links. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any further questions. And please feel free to send students who are struggling with this my way. It's been really easy for me to get them on Zooms. So talk to you soon.